Hi, I'm Florida Foreclosure Defense Lawyer Michael Wasylik. I'm here in DeLand, Florida at the historic Volusia County Courthouse, and today I want to answer the question, what is an allonge? Now, you might have heard a joke that an allonge is simply a French word meaning fraud. Well, that may be true sometimes, but the reality is what an allonge is, when you have a note, a mortgage note like a promissory note, those notes are transferred by endorsement. It means you put a stamp on it, say pay to the order of, and either name a party or in blank. Now sometimes those notes would fill up, you'd need more room, so you would attach a piece of paper to the note, you'd glue it, staple it, something like that, and then you'd attach additional endorsements on it. And an endorsement being applied to the note itself is effective to transfer the note. An endorsement that's put on a separate piece of paper that's later attached is not effective to transfer the note. Now, the law used to require that the allonge could only be used when there was no additional room. The law has liberalized since then and allowed the use of allonges even when there was room on the face of the note. What that has done is it's opened up transfer of notes to fraudulent allonges that are stamped at the time they're not attached to the note, and then later they're kept in a file somewhere. They're later attached to the note whenever it was convenient for whoever wanted to endorse them. Now, what I see in foreclosure cases very often is allonges used to manufacture transfers after the lawsuit is filed, to manufacture standing at inception. So you'll have a note with no endorsements on it, and you have a lawsuit filed by one party that's not the named payee on the note, that's not the party the note is made out to, where it says pay to the order of, it's somebody else entirely. And so in order to try and fix that problem, they will submit to the court later on a free-floating allonge, one that was never attached to the note, one that is just stuck in a court file somewhere or manufactured after the fact in order to fabricate evidence of standing. So that's why we say that an allonge is a French word meaning fraud, because so many times when you see an allonge in a foreclosure case, it means somebody's trying to cover up the fact that there never was the right to sue at the beginning of that lawsuit, which is required under Florida law. If you don't have that, you can't sue. You can't manufacture it by generating an allonge that's never been attached. If you have something in your foreclosure file that's called an allonge, it's not attached to your complaint, or maybe it is attached to your complaint, that's a red flag. It means you have a standing problem. If you have an allonge in your case, talk to a professional immediately. If you have questions about that, give me a call. My number is 352-567-3173. That's 352-567-3173. I'm Florida Foreclosure Defense Lawyer Michael Wasylik. Thanks for watching this video.